Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Infiniti G37 side mirror. Start by gathering your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a trim removal tool. Having your new Infiniti G37 side mirror assembly on hand is crucial for a smooth swap. Remember to apply painter's tape around the mirror's base to prevent any accidental scratches to your car's finish during the process. This preparation ensures a professional and damage-free replacement. Next, you will carefully remove the interior door panel trim piece. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the plastic. Once exposed, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it apart. Then, using your 10mm socket wrench, unscrew the 3 nuts securing the mirror. With the nuts removed, the old mirror assembly can be gently pulled away from the door. Now, carefully position your new side mirror assembly onto the door, aligning the 3 mounting studs with their respective holes. Hand tighten the 3 10mm nuts to hold the mirror securely, but do not over-tighten them yet. Reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks firmly into place. Before fully tightening, test the mirror's electronic functions, such as power adjustment and heating, to confirm everything works correctly. To complete the installation, fully tighten the 3 10mm nuts, ensuring the new mirror is firmly secured to the door. Carefully reattach the interior door panel trim piece, pressing it firmly until it snaps back into its original position. Perform a final check of all mirror functions, including any integrated turn signals or puddle lights. Finally, clean the new mirror glass thoroughly for perfect visibility and a polished appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.